Shalom, welcome everyone. It is Wednesday and we try our best to learn a little bit from the Noam Elimelech. This week we are reading Parshas Vaera, the second Parsha of the book of Exodus. We're in the 6th chapter of the book of Exodus. It says Vaera, and I appeared, so Rashi writes, Vaera la'avos, and I appeared unto the patriarchs. L'chora, my boy Rashi was there. So the Heilige Rebbe Melech from Lushensk asked, we should ask, what is Rashi trying to tell us here? The Haloi b'Pasuk b'Forish Avram Yitzchak v'Yaakov. The verse itself says very clearly Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. And we know that those are the ones who are called the patriarchs. Near Kavanas Rashi Bezen, and it seems that Rashi's intention in this, Ki Avram Hayamidas Chesed, because Abraham was the attribute of kindness. Chesed, that was his archetype. Yitzchak Bechinas Kavura. And Isaac was the attribute, the archetype of strength. V'Yaakov Tiferes. And Jacob represented the archetype of beauty. And in their attributes, in their archetypes, they were different one from another. So if that's the case, if they each have their own different archetype, how do they all have the Almighty God's name appear to them with that archetype? Wouldn't it seem that each one would have a different archetype of God appearing to them? Because it would seem that the way that things work is that according to one's own archetype is how holiness descends upon a person from above. However, the root of this thing is as follows. That from the side of the Blessed Creator there is no difference. However, each person according to his archetype pulls onto himself the archetypical aspects, but in God's total essence there's no difference. So therefore Abraham drew upon himself that archetype of kindness. And so to Isaac according to his archetype. And so to Jacob. But when it comes to God's actual essence, from the side of God, of the Blessed Creator, everything is a total, simple unity. And that's why Rashi, of blessed memory, had to explain to us that God appeared unto the patriarchs, that when it says Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, that from God's side there is no difference. God, the same God appeared to all three, and it's all one. I remember seeing Karen Armstrong said some kind of Vaera that was the opposite of this. So this is already proving that wrong. So meaning what came down from them was Almighty God, was the same God. It's just that each one of them had their own prism, their own filter through which they received the light of God, but that light of God is the same. And it's easy to understand. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. And happy birthday to Rabbi yesterday, and I know he was asking about, you can see up in the corner here, there's that A, and that's how we have here the English. So if you do want to learn in English, it appears that there is a community translation, maybe not on everything, but there is quite a bit. So thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you all later. Hirtziyo in the Mala